At the end of the day, you're all wrong. You might think that you know me. You know where I'm coming from. You might think everything's all good, but at the end of the day, you're all wrong.
Red Chuck Taylors, red Dodger hat, posted up on Market with a bottle of yak.
What up, love?
I'm just a gangster, that's what they say, but on the real, homeboy, I just had a bad day. 10 interviews, no callbacks. P.O. asking me where my job at. I'm an ex-con, it's almost useless. I'm a felon, don't mean that I'm stupid. Got caught up, tried as an adult. Lost 5 years of my life as a result. In the feds, I prayed and I read anything to keep the system up out my head. I read Zen, Young, Bukowski, you really don't know a damn thing about me. I probably got a higher IQ than you. These jobs ain't hiring, what should I do?
You might think that you know me.